To replace an alarm door contact, first you need to unscrew the contact using the 2 screws. You then need to disconnect the wires from the back of the contact, either 2 or 4 wires depending on whether there's a tamper circuit wired in. Please note, if a tamper is wired, then this will set the alarm off. To silence the alarm, enter your 4-digit code. The SmartSecurity team provide both telephone and on-site engineer support. Simply contact our team explaining your needs and we'll get your system fixed.